Alright guys, welcome to the second part of the video. My water is slowly starting to boil, and once again, you guys know that I preserve my food in some random weird ways. I live in an apartment, I don't have much space, so I have to kind of improvise on the things that I do. So yeah, I got this giant bowl and then fill it up with rice, and then you just put it somewhere where it doesn't get direct sunlight. It's nice, warm and cool, and it'll keep it. You'll get to keep it for about a year and a half. So okay, so we're gonna put 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of rice, and 3 cups of rice. So when you look at your numbers, if you're like me that loves to measure everything, your line should not go past 6 or 6.5. Because when you put the rice, obviously the water level goes up. And then as you cook the rice, that water will be absorbed. Okay, so you want to give it a little bit of mix. Now watch this part, y'all. Do not miss this part. This is the secret to a perfect rice and beans. So once you mix it, yeah, stick your spoon in there. If it holds, and that means your water level is good, go ahead and cover it. And you're just gonna let it cook for the next 20 minutes or so, or until this thing pops up. Now, I'm not sure of you guys, but I like to clean my kitchen while I cook. So I start putting stuff away. I started washing the dishes, putting, my cups in the sink. Alright, and I'm gonna cut this video short. Look for the third part.